Hi, I'm Anna. In my human resources role, I start my day by sending updates to the team, answering questions, and checking my task manager while viewing results from our team projects, on my computer or on the go. Before, I was doing all of this through multiple apps, and it was causing crazy miscommunications. Phone calls, emails, and multiple chat features were creating a gap between myself and my frontline workers, who don't have company emails or cell phone numbers. Now, I have a unified digital employee hub that allows me to be in touch with my team at all times from anywhere. My frontline employees are informed and feel included in the conversation regardless of language barriers due to an automatic translation feature. As a result, our productivity is through the roof. Wish you could make the switch? Just reach out.